What's up, pals of Palettes and Petals? I have been so excited to kind of launch my first ever collection of earrings, which includes my sunset pieces as well as some fall themed pieces. But I really wanted to try my hand at doing my first ever kind of walkthrough video of what the process looks like to make resin earrings. It's not super detailed by any means, but there's a couple short videos I want to show you that show the pouring process as well as a fun demolding video before they turn into earrings like this. So let's just go right into it. Here are the videos of the process and the demold, and then we'll come back and I'll show you the finished pieces. The first step is to mix the resin and the hardener together before I can add the different alcohol inks. I create the different colors that I want to work with. Once the resin is mixed, I only have about a 30-minute working time, so I have to work fast. As the resin starts to cure, it does create little air bubbles, so I'll use a heat gun to help pop the air bubbles. Okay, so that was it. I love doing demold videos. I don't know if they're as exciting for you as they are for me, but I want to show you the finished pieces. So these are just sunset colors, no glitter involved, just like these ones. And for those of you that have never had resin earrings before, they're super lightweight. Like, I can't even feel that I'm wearing earrings. So another pair that do not have glitter are the arches. And do you see how shiny those are in the back side? And then I did do a couple of pieces that have glitter in them. So there's still the sunset colors and then a little bit of gold glitter on the bottom. And last but not least, also from my little sunset collection, is another pair of sunset arches, again with a little bit of glitter on the bottom. So that's it, guys. Short video. I hope you enjoyed it. Again, these will be available for purchase very soon, and if you are interested in more videos of more detailed process of how to make resin earrings, please let me know. If you have any questions at all, as always, feel free to shoot me a message, an email, or comment below. I do want to mention that moving forward, for every pair of earrings purchased through Palettes and Petals, I will be donating $1 to the ALS Therapy Development Institute. This is all just in honor of my father. I said I would continue to donate in his honor, and I am happy that with this little earring business, I am able to. As always, thank you for your support.